Dear students, good day. Let us start our session with Economics, Unit 1, Money, Savings and Investments. In this session, we are going to learn about recent forms of money, value of money, nature of money, functions of money, savings in banks and investments, and black money. Recent forms of money, plastic money, e-money, online banking, e-banking are recent forms of money. Plastic money. The latest type of money is plastic money in the form of credit cards and debit cards. They aim for cashless transactions. E-money. Electronic money is money which exists in banking computer systems and is available for transactions through electronic system. Online banking or net banking. Online banking, also known as Internet banking, is an electronic payment system that enables customers of a bank or other financial institutions to conduct a range of financial transactions through website. E-banking, electronic banking, also known as National Electronic Funds Transfer. Shortly we can call it as NEFT. Is simply the use of electronic means to transfer funds directly from one account to another rather than by check or cash. Value of money. Value of money is meant the purchasing power of money over goods and services in a country. Thus, it is related to the price level of goods and services. The value of money is of two types, internal value of money and external value of money. The internal value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over domestic goods and services. The external value of money refers to the purchasing power of money over foreign goods and services. Nature of money. There has been lot of argument and confusion over the meaning and nature of money. Money is a difficult concept to define, partly because it fulfills not one but three functions, each of them providing a criterion of moneyness, those of a unit of account, a medium of exchange, and a store of value. Money is defined by its functions. Anything is money which is used as money, said by John Hicks. Functions of money. Functions of money are classified into primary or main function, secondary function, and contingent function. Primary or main functions. The important functions of money performed in very economy are classified under main functions. Medium of exchange or means of payment, measure of value. Medium of exchange or means of payment. Money is used to buy the goods and services. Measure of value. All the values are expressed in terms of money. It is easier to determine the rate of exchange between various types of goods and services. Secondary functions. The three important of secondary functions are standard of deferred payment, store of value or store of purchasing power, transfer of value or transfer of purchasing power. Standard of deferred payment. Money helps the future payments too. A borrower borrowing today places himself under an obligation to pay a specified sum of money on some specified future date. Store of value or store of purchasing power. Savings were discouraged under budget system as some commodities are decomposable. The introduction of money has helped to save it for future as it is not decomposable. Transfer of value or transfer of purchasing power. Money makes the exchange of goods to distant places as well as abroad possible. It was therefore felt necessary to transfer purchasing power from one place to another. Contingent functions. Basis of credit, increased productivity of capital, measurement and distribution of national income. Savings in banks and investments. Savings. Savings are defined as the part of consumers' disposable income which is not used for current consumption, rather kept aside for future use. There are several ways through which a person can save money. The banking facilitates saving money through various forms of accounts. Student savings account. There are savings accounts. Some banks offer specifically for Young people enrolled in high school or college and they main future more flexible terms such as lower minimum balance requirements, savings deposits. Savings deposits are opened by customers to save the part of their current income. The customers can withdraw their money from their accounts when they require it. The bank also gives a small amount of interest to the money in the saving deposits. Current account deposit. Current accounts are generally opened by business company, traders and public authorities. The current accounts help in frequent banking transactions as they are repayable on demand. Fixed deposits. Fixed deposits accounts are meant for investors who want their principal to be safe and yield them fixed yields. The fixed deposits are also known as term deposit as normally they are fixed for specified period. Benefits of savings. You will be financially independent sooner. You would not have to worry any unforeseen expenses. In future, you will have financial backup in place if you lose your job. You will be prepared if your circumstances change. You will be more comfortable in retirement. Save today for better tomorrow. Intensity to save among the students. Teach them about taxes and accounting. Involve them in grown up money decisions. Encourage them to apply for scholarship. Help them budget and apply for student loans. Teach them personal savings. Encourage them to open a student Sanjay card scheme. Investments. The process of investing something is known as an investment. It could be anything that is money, time, efforts, or other resources that can exchange to earn returns in future. Investment can be made in different investment vehicles like stock, bond, mutual funds, commodity futures, insurance, allowance, deposit account or any other securities or assets. An investment always comes with risk of losing money, but it is also true that you can reap more money with the same investment vehicle. It has a productive nature that helps in the economic growth of the country. Black money. Black money is any money on which it is not paid to the government. Black money is money earned through any illegal activity controlled by country regulations. In India, black money is funds earned in the black market and which income and other taxes have not been paid. The total amount of black money deposited in foreign banks by Indians is unknown. The root cause for the increasing rate of black money in the country is a lack of strict punishments for the offenders. Some of the effects of black money on economy are dual economy, undermining justice, widening gap between the rich and poor, distribution of insufficient resource, effects on production. Recent steps against black money. Under pressure from India and other countries, Switzerland has made key changes in its local laws governing assessed local reported dumped in Swiss banks. Special investigation team appointed by government on the directions of Supreme Court on black money. Demonetization. It occurs whenever there is a change of national currency. Some legislative framework in India against black money. There are so many acts taken by the government are Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, Lokpal and Lokayukta Act, Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, the Undisclosed Foreign Income and Asset Bill 2015, Binami Transactions Prohibition Act 1988, amended in 2016, the Real Estate Act 2016. In this session, we learned about recent forms of money, value of money, nature of money, savings in banks and investment, and black money. Thank you.